welcome to Snips Happen. Today I am here with the August Ease Mystery Montage box, and as always I have removed it from the box so that you can see. I'm trying to move that out of the way so it's not a distraction, so you can see what we received this month. First, I'm going to start off with the digital because it is out of the bag. These come via email. Once you sign up, you get the email to the vault, and then you can go get your kit for the month. You have access to all the prior months, and then you have access for every month after that. Once you sign up for the monthly subscription, you have the one off. If you get the one off for the month, then you have access for that one, and then you don't. But this kit is so pretty. I just don't know what I'm going to make with it this month, so I have to, look at it and then decide, and then I'll be back with a project like always. But this is page 1. This is page 2. It's like, gives me boho vibes, actually. That's what it gives me, but I love it. So I've been thinking of what I can do with it. I love the words right here on the side. So if you have any ideas, or you want to see what you want to see me do with this, leave it in the comments below, because I would love to hear what you want to see me do with this. I love those tags. Yes, I do. Of course, I always have a page upside down. It wouldn't be me if I didn't have a page upside down, right? So that is your digital that comes with it for the month. It's 10-page digital. And then we get into the good stuff. Let's pull the good stuff out. As always, you get your reusable waterproof bag. So let's put this stuff off to the side like that. And then you get a applique. I'm pretty sure everybody gets a different one, but mine is like a minty green and white. And then you get these gray flower appliques. I love these. And then you got some clear tape. This here goes with this to make, I call it boo-boo tape, but it's cello tape. I will do a video just on these. This is Let's Resin Alcohol Ink Green. I have bunches of colors, so we will use that. I don't have Let's Resin. I have the Tim Holtz alcohol ink, but I will show you how to use this. I'll do a video on just that. You do get a traveler's notebook with lined paper. I do believe this is traveler's. Might be a B6, but same. It's a notebook. You would get a stencil. I'm not sure if everybody got the same stencil, but I got, looks like a rose. Now I wouldn't say it's a rose. I would say it's more like a pansy, maybe. Could be a pansy. I'm not good with my flowers, but I would almost be willing to bet a video on that's a pansy. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments. Then you get a basil piece of parakeet paper. I love the basil paper. And then you get some handmade, 3 pieces of handmade paper. I love the feel of that. Absolutely love the feel of that. And then before we get into that, we are going to look at the 26 pages of 6x6 230 GSM cardstock that is Prima. You get 6 double-sided pages, 4 of each sheet, and 2 cutout element sheets. So without further ado, we are going to look at that. I love the gingham on the back. So they're in order, so there's 4. So you get this one, and then that one, and then you want, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you get, oh, see, I can't even count, can I? Yeah, that's right. Then you get this one. 1, that's your back. 2, 3, 4. And there's your other one. Oh, I like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's pretty too. Oh, I like that. 2, 3. There's that. And then you have, oh, that's pretty. 2, 3. Oh. And then there's your cut aparts. And they're different. Different cut aparts. Oh, I like those little journal words down there. I think I'm going to ask Missy if she can make some like that, because I really like those. And then, I don't have my little tray, so we're going to have to do this. You get some bits and bobs. Some bits and bobs. Bits and bobs. So you get this. That could be good for a journal cover. It's wooden. And then you get 2 book plates that are different sizes. I love good book plates, so these go on your journals, front cover, side, your where your signature goes on the outside. Oh, I got a sunflower. And then you got some flowers, mini flowers. You get some buttons. Let me see. You get 1, 2, 3. Ooh, you get 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, I can't count. You get 6 buttons, 2 big ones. That's 5, Tara, not 6. 2 big ones, 3 small ones of the navy or black, whichever your eyes tell you. They tell me it's black. You get 3 different shades of blue, mini blue. And then you get the screws for the book plates. I don't use screws personally. I use brads, but you get the screws. And then you get these 2 little tassels that you can use for if you make tassels for your journals, or you can take them and do this with them and hang them off your bulb pins. They make little dangles. So you get 2 of those, and then you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wooden buttons, and then you get a rose pet tape, and then you get some bulb pins. These can be called bulb pins, gourd pins, whatever you want to call them. In my world, they're called bulb pins. So that is what comes in the Ease Mystery Montage this month. So you get a bag of bits and bobs, I would call that. Hold on. Let me put my bits and bobs back into my bag before I give them everywhere. Because knowing me, I'm going to get them everywhere. And I have the bulb pins in my hand, so I might as well just put them back where they go. Right? Right. Because if not, over here at Snips, we will have a mess. So you get your bag of bits and bobs. Then you get your alcohol ink. Everybody gets a different color. I got green. Your roll of tape. Your 6x6 paper pad. Your stencil. Your 2 appliques, your notebook, your 3 pieces of handmade paper, your basil paper, I'm just going to set this in here, your reusable bag, and your digital. So, if you like this, everything to get it, if there's any left over, will be linked down below. If you want to sign up for the monthly subscription, that also will be linked down below. If you like the video, you want to support me, you want to come along for my crazy chaoticness, well, you know what to do, and I would greatly appreciate it. So I shall see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day. Bye.